We've got some images coming through. Police are reporting it purely as an incident in the vicinity of the King Power Station, saying emergency services are aware and dealing with this. However, there are some reports from Twitter, from people like Gary Lineker, of course, who you know with his very long association with Leicester, reporting that this may be the helicopter of the owner, Fitchayi Srivadhanaprabha, who it is understood may have taken off from the ground, and then the helicopter coming down in the car park immediately outside the King Power Stadium. That is yet to be confirmed. We should clarify that, but it is being quoted by many names connected with the club, including Gary Lineker, saying this is the helicopter of the owner of
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.